In 1994, on my first flight, as soon as we got into space, I undid my seatbelt and just kind of floated out of the seat and looked out the window, and I experienced awe. As Paul said, it changes your life to see the Earth from space. And so one of the messages I want to leave with you today, if you can just remember one thing, it's this, and that's you live on an island in a vast black ocean. And if you live on an island, it changes the way you think. It made me realize how fragile this island is and how we have to take care of the island itself from an environmental standpoint. And I'll take you along with some pictures in just a moment. If we don't manage the water that's on the surface, you also get this dramatic occurrence. This is the Aral Sea in Russia, one of the most famous examples of mismanagement of natural resources. You can see the sea was actually suffering even 30 years ago because the amount of water coming in was smaller than the amount taken out. So you can see that it's much smaller now and disappearing.